Hello, I'm Brendan from BALCO. Today I'm demonstrating the patented Safemount product. The product is made up of two main parts. You have the attachment for the dispenser and the Safemount which attaches to the wall. First, we're going to install the Safemount attachment to your dispenser. You are going to need a dispenser, a Safemount guide which is specific for the correct dispenser, a drill and 5mm drill bit, the Safemount fitting kit provided with your product, the internal counterpart and the oval white external counterpart. The first step is to drill out the rivet holes in the rear of your dispenser using the Safemount guide. Align the guide on the back of the dispenser. The guide will align with existing holes on the dispenser, so will stay in place as you drill the new ones. Drill out through the holes in the centre of the dispenser. Once you've drilled the holes, the next step is to open the dispenser. Then line up the holes of the internal counterpart with the external counterpart with the holes that you have just drilled. Then use the 3 rivets to feed through from the external counterpart to the internal counterpart through those holes you drilled. The third step is then to rivet these with a rivet gun. You should end up with the white external counterpart riveted to the outside, which will link with the Safemount plate, which I'll show you how to install next. The Safemount plate has fixing points on the front of the plate to fix to the wall. On the rear of the plate, it has a profile that will bite into the wall as you fix the plate. To mount the wall plate, you will need the Safemount wall plate, the Safemount installation kit provided, Safemount cover caps, a level, a pencil, a 5mm drill bit, a screwdriver drill bit and a soft rubber mallet. The first step is to identify the height that you want to fit the plate at, appropriate for the user and the type of the dispenser. Then you need a level to ensure the plate is straight on the wall. The second step is to hold the Safemount plate to the wall, marking through the fixing points with a pencil. The third step is to take your 5mm drill bit and drill holes in the wall where you've marked your fixing points. The fourth step is to fit the wall plugs. The Safemount installation kit comes with the correct number of plugs you need to fit your plate. Put the wall plugs into the holes that you've just drilled. For the fifth step, we'll be attaching the plate to the wall using the dome head security screws provided, feeding them through the fitting points on the plate and into the wall plugs. The dome head screw is specifically needed so it doesn't compromise the integrity of the product. As a tip, you can do the fixings slightly loose and then tighten them up when the levelling is correct to get the positioning perfect. The sixth step is to put the cover cap on each of the fixings to ensure the dome head screw is covered. You should use a soft tip rubber mallet to knock the caps in flush. Making sure the surface is flush is important for infection control of the Safemount plate. And there you should have your mounted plate ready to attach your dispenser.